Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Smart Real-Time Healthcare Monitoring and Tracking System using GSM and GPS technology. So in this project, we are using an 8051 microcontroller IC and two sensors. One is temperature sensor, body temperature sensor, and heartbeat sensor. So here we are displaying the data onto the LCD display. If temperature above 50 degree, it will track the location. It sends to the GSM SMS alert with Google Map with SMS alert only. So heartbeat, we are pressing the push button. If above 100, it will send the SMS alert, and anything it will send the SMS alert. So here 16 cross 2 LCD display. It is connected with the RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, P0.0, P0.3, 4, 5, 6, 7. MCP3201 ADC successive approximation 12-bit ADC. Purpose of the ADC means to track the LM35 temperature sensor ADC. So LM358 operational amplifier and heartbeat clip. One switch button, alarm P3.4, and max 232 IC level converter voltage level stabilization IC, and GSM SIM 800L GPS GY6M V2 module. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here I am using adapter power source, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So here I am using Airtel SIM card. I am using 4G SIM. So you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, anything you can use. Max 232 IC, UART 0. So max 232. So here also bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. Reset button, 16 cross 2 LCD display, 8051 microcontroller IC, port 0, port to 1, port to 2, port to 3. Port 0, it is connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display. Port 1, it is connected with the MCP3201 ADC LM35 temperature sensor and one alarm. So here GPS module and one heartbeat clip. And here switch button, to check the heartbeat you need to long press the button. So here is my programming code. Okay, so it's a very lengthy code. Okay. So I am writing the program through Willer program, and this is my programming IC socket. So here I am choosing the 8051 microcontroller and dumping the program. So if temperature above 50, we will send the SMS alert. Let's start with my programming. Now I am starting the power supply. So here LED is blinking. Once it is stopped, the GSM SIM network came. So here blue color LED, GPS location is coming. So here temperature and heartbeat is 0. Okay, so here the GSM is test completed. We received one SMS, GSM test OK. Okay, now I am increasing the temperature through dupe stick 55. Okay, here I will receive one SMS alert with Google Map latitude value, longitude value. So over body temperature is 55, latitude value, longitude value. Okay, so now I am take heartbeat clip and long press the switch. Okay, so here counting is coming. Okay, so here pulse is coming. It will take 60 seconds of count. Once count is completed, it will send the SMS alert. high pulses are coming. Okay, so this is high heartbeat. Okay, it will send the SMS alert. Message is not received, but it will receive the SMS alert also. Here you can observe the count. So 8051 microcontroller based temperature heartbeat monitoring and GSM GPS location. Yeah, it is coming normal heartbeat. Okay, and we will receive one SMS alert. Yeah, heartbeat, latitude value, longitude value 94. Pulse oximeter also shows 94. Okay, so if I am increasing the temperature, '53, and it is sending the SMS alert. Yeah, over temperature value. Thanking you. GSM SIM 800L GPS module, heartbeat clip. Okay, 16x2 LCD display, 8051 reset crystal, max 232, switch button, LM35 temperature. Okay, yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded.